The peacock holds deep spiritual meaning, symbolizing renewal, resurrection, and the all-seeing divine eye. Associated with beauty, confidence, and self-expression, this majestic bird represents the transformation from the unconscious to conscious, encouraging individuals to embrace their true, authentic, and radiant selves. They represent resurrection and immortality. Its feathers represent renewal as they are shed and regrown. They represent divine protection and consciousness. The 100 eyes on its tail feathers are seen as representing the all-seeing, watchful eye of God or higher consciousness. It is often regarded as a protective spirit that shields against negativity. White peacocks specifically represent purity, holiness, and the illuminated soul, indicating a state of being born again from the fire of fear and doubt. They represent spiritual awakening and wisdom. The peacock is associated with the goddess of wisdom and knowledge, representing grace, pride, and joy. It signifies the awakening of the soul. They represent transmutation and integrity. Known to eat venomous snakes, the peacock symbolizes the ability to transmute negativity and poison into spiritual growth and beauty. They represent self-expression and confidence. The bird is a powerful omen for showing one's true colors, embracing self-love, and acting with confidence and leadership. Seeing a peacock may be a message to embrace your own beauty, trust your intuition, and live with integrity.